So you know when you are just scrolling through TikTok, convincing yourself it's market research? Well, what if I told you that could actually be making you money? I'll walk you through 4 ways to do just that. By the end of this video, you will have a step-by-step plan to start making your first money this month, even if you've not tried monetizing content before, because let's face it, why not? So TikTok isn't just for teenagers doing dance routines anymore. It's become a bit of a goldmine. And as a digital marketer or business owner or entrepreneur, you are in the perfect position to tap into that without having to bust out any dodgy dance moves yourself, unless you really want to. So we're going to cover 4 solid ways to monetize your TikTok: the Creator Fund, live streaming, brand partnerships, and a new one, the TikTok Shop. Each one has its quirks, but don't worry, I will make it as painless as possible. So let's start with the TikTok Creator Fund, which is basically TikTok paying you for content that you were probably going to create anyway. It's open to anyone over 18 who's managed to rack up 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days. So once you're in, TikTok gives you a little bit of cash based on how engaging your content is. Things like views, likes, and shares. We're not talking a fortune here, but if you're consistently creating decent stuff, it does add up. Currently, you're looking at somewhere between a penny and 2 pence per view, which is not exactly retirement money, but it is a start. The trick is to keep your content fresh and engaging. Basically, keep doing what you're already good at. Focus on growing your audience with content that gets people talking. So once you hit those magic numbers, apply for the Creator Fund and start turning your TikTok habit into a side income. Next up is live streaming. It is a little bit like hosting a party, except you get to actually stay in your pajamas, and instead of bringing snacks, your guests throw virtual gifts at you. To go live, you will need at least 1,000 followers. And it's about picking topics that your audience actually cares about, like marketing tips maybe, or maybe a bit of industry gossip, anything that keeps people watching and interacting with you. Maybe even get up and do a little dance. Now during the stream, your viewers can send you virtual gifts, which convert into diamonds. You earn about £1 for every 200 diamonds. Once you've got a tenner's worth, you can withdraw it via PayPal. Now it's not going to buy you that yacht, but it will cover a couple of coffees or maybe even a drink on Saturday night. Now keep it interactive, respond to comments, ask questions, and make it more of a conversation, not a monologue. So the more involved your viewers are, the more likely they are to send you those shiny little gifts. You're going to want to plan out your live streams beforehand, promote them a little bit, and then just get stuck in. The more you do it, the more you will learn what works for your audience and what doesn't. Now let's talk about brand partnerships, the holy grail of TikTok monetization. This is where all your skills really come into play with this. And if you don't have them already, then watch my videos and you will get them super quick. This is where you get brands to pay for your expertise. Now, how to attract these brands? Brands are looking for creators who not only have a decent following, but also know how to keep their audience engaged. Make sure your content aligns with what they're after, whether or not that's lifestyle, tech, or marketing tips, and you will start catching their eye. Now, TikTok's creator marketplace is where you can connect with these brands. Switch to a creator account, get yourself listed, and brands can then find you and start offering partnerships. How exciting is that? It's like online dating, but with more money and less awkward small talk. So in terms of money, sponsored posts in the UK can go from about £100 to maybe even a few £1,000s, depending on your reach and engagement. Just make sure you are setting a rate that reflects your value. No need to sell yourself short. So get yourself onto the creator marketplace, polish your profile, and keep your content consistent. The right brands will come knocking soon enough. And now for the new kid on the block. It's basically TikTok's reference of let's make shopping as impulsive as possible, and as a digital marketer and entrepreneur, you can definitely use this to your advantage. Now there are 2 ways to make money with TikTok Shop. You can either sell your own products as a merchant, or you can hop on board as an affiliate, making a commission by promoting other people's products. So basically, you get to be the middle person, and everyone loves a good middle person. Now, becoming a merchant. To sell your own products, you'll need to register as a merchant on TikTok Shop. It's not as painful as it sounds. Head to the link in the description and get your shop set up. You'll need to verify a few details, but once that's done, you'll be able to start selling immediately through the app. If you'd rather not deal with inventory, you can become an affiliate. This lets you earn a commission by linking products in your videos or live streams, and it's pretty straightforward. Just choose the products that you really want to promote that work with your brand and add the links. Then when someone buys through your links, you get a cut. Easy money, really. Now, this is actually working for people, so it is definitely worth giving it a go. So whether you're selling your own products or someone else's, TikTok Shop is a brilliant way to tap into TikTok's massive user base. Get your shop or affiliate account set up, start linking those products, and watch the sales roll in. There you have it, 4 ways to start making money on TikTok without having to compromise your dignity. Why do some of us like those dance routines? Whether it's a creator fund, live streaming, brand partnerships, or the TikTok shop, there is a way of turning your TikTok time into income. It is definitely worth giving it a go. You might not make millions overnight, but we could all do with that extra money right now. If you found this video useful, give it a like, maybe even subscribe if you're feeling generous. And if you've got any questions or just want to tell me I'm wrong, drop a comment below. I am always up for a chat. Thanks so much for sticking with me. Good luck out there, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.